So, if you need, you can split the check here.
Georgie.
Sorry.
You look perfect. As I was looking at you and I crashed. Sorry. Looking good, huh?
Cheers, thank you, appreciate it.
I didn't say any more time.
Wearing this little thrifted top that I found. I'm actually wearing this little. Oh my gosh.